Whoa, I almost stepped on it. It's just a bug. Does it even matter?
Every tiny creature matters. Wanna see why?
Yeah.
Bees help flowers grow.
No way, that's so cool.
Worms mix the soil so plants grow. Wiggle, wiggle, worm. Birds spread seeds and eat pesky bugs.
So birds are like flying gardeners. Okay, I'll be extra careful now. Let's take care of every little life.
That's being kind to nature.